The main thing is they're bored hard.
Yeah.
So right now, the biggest thing, in fact, we see a lot is people trying to get a truck and get them on the back of a truck or find a place in the garage for them. So most everything nowadays is going to inflatable. But the big problem you have with inflatable is trust value.
Okay.
If you have a kayak and you lean over the edge of it, it kind of collapses, right? Because all inflatables have some kind of a squish value to them.
Yep.
These do not. They're literally, we call them rigid inflatables because they're bored hard. You can go ahead and stand up on them and see that they're bored hard. And if I put an extra couple PSI in there, because I'm sure this is down at like 12 right now.
Yeah.
And if I put another couple PSI in there, you'll find that it's just absolutely rigid.
Which helps with tracking.
Helps with traction, speed.
Yeah.
But it's also the confidence. When I talk to customers, it's the confidence level in it. They trust plastic because they know it's not going to collapse, it's not going to squish, and it's hard for them to trust the inflatables. When you get this rigid, then you can actually trust the inflatable. With that in mind, the other thing that PSI does for it and our product does for us is increases the weight capacity. So these are clear up at 400 pounds that they can withstand.
Okay.
Our paddle boards are about 420 pound capacity. Our kayaks, our one-seater can go up to 700 pounds, our two-seaters can go up to 900, and our three-seaters can go up to 1,200 pounds of capacity. Wow. So that's a huge weight capacity. The other thing we did to it is that we added the features to it. So most paddleboards and kayaks have the bungee cord.
Yep.
We hate bungee cords, they're worthless. So everything we have is nets.
Okay.
So you can put stuff underneath it as well as strap it to it, so you can actually put your gear onto it. Everything comes with a standard cell phone dry bag. So everybody will have that. And you'll notice on everything I pull out, everything's got riddled with D-rings.
Yep.
So you can actually strap stuff down. And we've got extra accessories that you can use with the D-rings to strap everything down with.
Better get it looks like you.
Yeah. I don't have the accessories on this one because they're in a bag.
Okay.
And everything has a standard GoPro mount at the top that you'll see. So you'll see a lot of these accessories. But then everything comes with the fishing pole holders, cup holders. They have a nice seat to it. Place to strap your foot in and run the nets and everything. So again,
it's very rigid.
Very, very solid. You're not going to lean over that edge and have to press it all.
Yeah.
You can see the GoPro mount, so you can see how many D-rings we put on everything. So you have ways to strap stuff down.
Lots of customization options.
Yep. So we've designed our own trolling motor mount. So obviously you can't use nails and screws. So, but we have a very nice custom fit that's not going anywhere. So you can put it on before you inflate it, and then it's but you can see nets. It's got a bungee cord, all the D-rings, capability to strap that cooler down. GoPro mount in front, and like I said, they're all board hard.
Higher than some of the entry level stuff, but you're also getting really good value with that.
And we're definitely not entry level.
Yeah. Sure.
I don't want to be too much higher than entry level, but we are. We know we're higher than entry level.
Yeah. Yeah, but I would say with the durability and the rigidity of it, something that really kind of takes out one of the downsides of most inflatables. Like if we do have a customer that goes to a hard side, it's usually because they don't want to deal with the loss of tracking or the flex in there.
I hate the flex.